ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. Let's see. Best times to use your evil laugh when revealing your master plan. Ha 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 ha. During a bank heist. Whoa. Before dispatching your arch nemesis to a tank of hungry piranhas. Ha ha ha. While standing over the conquered enemy masses. Ooh. After your evil scheme has gone off without a hitch. Oh, yeah. After instructing your henchman in some vile deed. I need to get a henchman. After instructing your henchman in some vile deed. Oh, I just read that. Before unleashing your weapon of mass destruction. After pressing the enormous red button of doom. Oh, okay. That's something I need to make. The enormous red button of doom. I'm going to have to get some supplies for that. In ironic glee, just as the heroes are sneaking up from behind. While locked inside of an insane asylum. Yes! Anytime you feel overwhelmed with evil satisfaction. Yes, it's me, Audrey. I'm back again. And I have another hideous experiment. I actually made... Ooh, this is so evil. I made a hideous mutant eyeball monster wreath. It's not just a wreath, it's a monster! So, let me show you how I did this dastardly deed with Dollar Tree materials. Here we go. Ooh. Isn't he just monstrous? No. Oh, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to be monstrous. You're supposed to eat. You're supposed to eat everybody. Why does this always happen? Okay, I'm going to have to do a few alterations here. I also have something else I need to show you, and that's that I made a lovely new little sign for my office. So let me show you that. here we go. Now I can hang this on my door, and people will know what they're in for. I mean, you know, we all go a little mad sometimes.
Audrey, what have you done with my black marker?
Oh, she's back again. Don't fall off. Looks like I have a little adhesive problem here. But it looks like Christine's back, so I'm going to have to leave. But don't worry, I probably will show up at least one more time. So, bye!